Hello everyone. Today's knowledge point we are learning is organizing the core sectors of logistics information technology. Classmates, modern logistics is no longer the traditional mode relying on people carrying and paper records. Scanning codes can track package location. In smart warehouses, robots automatically sort big data predicts which warehouse goods should be stocked in. Behind these efficient operations is all logistics information technology at work. Want to know what are the core sectors of logistics information technology? And how do they enable the logistics industry to achieve cost reduction and efficiency improvement? Let's watch this video together. Did you know behind the express you receive every day hides these cutting-edge technologies? From scanning codes to positioning logistics, information technology is completely changing our lives. Today, we reveal the 5 core sectors of logistics information technology. See how your package travels over mountains and rivers to come to your hands. First, the basic technology layer, just like building a house needs a foundation. The logistics system is inseparable from underlying support like computers, networks, and databases. Second, data collection technology. There are 3 key technologies here. Barcode technology is the code you scan on Express, can identify goods information in 1 second. RFID technology does not need scanning, can read data when close now. Many smart warehouses are using sensors, especially when transporting fresh goods, can monitor temperature and humidity in real time, ensuring goods quality. Third, data exchange technology. Focus on 2 EDI, electronic data interchange, enables automatic transmission of orders, invoices between enterprises, no need for manual back and forth emails. API interfaces enable systems of different companies to communicate. Data interconnection is smoother. Fourth, geography and dynamic tracking. This you are most familiar with. GPS positioning lets you see in real time where the express vehicle is. GIS, Geographic Information System, helps logistics companies plan optimal routes, saving fuel and time. Fifth, the most cutting-edge emerging technologies. IoT connects warehouses, trucks, express lockers to the network. Intelligent monitoring throughout the entire journey. Big data and cloud computing analyze massive data. Predict which regions will have order explosions. Blockchain ensures data authenticity and reliability in each link, preventing fraud. These technologies combined make modern logistics much faster than 10 years ago. For example, GPS planning routes, plus RFID automatic warehousing. Your package from shipping to receiving might not need manual handling at all. Finally, test you the last express you received used which technologies mentioned here. Just now, we learned about the core sectors of logistics information technology, among them RFID technology, as a key means for goods information collection and tracking in the entire logistics process, plays an irreplaceable role. Want to know how RFID technology is actually used in real logistics scenarios, and what pain points of traditional logistics it can solve? Next, let's through this video. See specific application cases of RFID technology together. A long-desired piece of clothing, a plate of favorite braised pork ribs, a bottle of mellow red wine. This might be Zhang Meimei's reward for a week of hard work. But when she comes to the clothing store, finds the style happens to be out of stock. Facing many stalls, doesn't know which to buy because she saw news of sick pork in the morning. Spent 900 yuan to buy original 2008 Bordeaux Drive Y Red. Drinks it, but finds it is canned. Such a weekend for her. Isn't it too cruel? Actually, saving her weekend is not difficult. FID can achieve Baidu Bike, RFID radio frequency identification technology, also called electronic tags, can identify specific targets through radio signals and read and write related data without the need for mechanical or optical contact between the identification system and the specific target. What too profound? No. QR code scanning you have used, right? QR code is a technology using optical signals for information transmission, while RFID uses frequency signals for information transmission. Returning to Zhang Meimei's unfortunate weekend plan. If the clothing merchant she buys from uses RFID, then, from clothing production start, workers can batch verify the match between clothing and tags, enter product inspection and packing-related data into the database, providing accurate basis for warehousing storage. In the warehousing process, RFID tags can coordinate with the warehousing center for a series of operations like storage, shelving, inventory counting, picking, outbound. Improving efficiency. RFID clothing tags can also coordinate with stores for handheld device, inventory counting, smart cabinets, smart fitting rooms, smart POS, and visual sales data analysis. In such a smart clothing supply chain, that sales girl can easily count clothes in the warehouse, instead of sweating profusely, unable to find the clothes she wants, telling her it is out of stock. As for the ribs she wants to buy, in a livestock traceability management system, using RFID technology, piglets wear RFID electronic ear tags at birth, linking their parent information during the breeding process, right feed information, epidemic prevention information, medication information, environmental information, various information on the ear tags, and upload to the food safety data platform. After slaughter, qualified meat products bind radio frequency identification traceability tags. Obtain meat product codes when leaving the factory. With RFID traceability integrated machine, obtain downstream seller RFID identity card information for automatic association. Meanwhile, the integrated machine also connects with electronic scales to obtain weight. Printing traceability system, meat product transaction vouchers. Consumers can then, through printed QR code labels, obtain traceability codes for quality information, traceability queries. The government, through electronic tags, real-time data sharing to the platform, effectively realizes meat product quality supervision system construction. After improvement, pork safety issues are solved. Now she doesn't need to worry about wine. It is said the Lafite 1982 on the Chinese market is more than the total production of Chateau Lafite that year. This is too exaggerated, right? Actually, enterprises only need to embed FID tags on the production line, give each bottle of wine an electronic ID, can achieve data collection on the packaging line for anti-counterfeiting, identify, read, and verify products in circulation links, thus enabling product traceability, production management, warehousing and logistics management, sales management, auxiliary decision-making, etc. And consumers can, through RFID query product authenticity, understand the product's ins and outs. For example, this bottle from 2005, produced in Changli Vineyard in Hebei, Changyu, Dry Dead Bingo. That is it. Drink with confidence, eat with confidence, and wear beloved new clothes. If can also have a date or something, this weekend would be perfect. This is the benefit RFID brings her. Actually, in many industries around us, can see the figure of this technology. Library book borrowing and returning, parking lot information management, stadium, electronic tickets, liquefied gas cylinders. If this solution is applied to every industry, what a beautiful IoT world this will be. After watching the video, please students answer the following questions. First, the barcode technology, RFID technology, mentioned in the video as core means of logistics information collection. How do they achieve full process tracking of goods from warehousing to delivery? Second, like logistics management, information systems, such core technology sectors, what key decision support can they provide for warehousing, transportation delivery, and other links of logistics enterprises? Finally, we use a table to more clearly see the differences between commonly used technologies. Barcode technology has low cost, simple operation, used in supermarket checkout, express scanning. RFID technology can automatically identify batch read, suitable for quick warehousing, storage. GPS can locate and navigate. For example, dispatching trucks, monitoring transportation trajectory. GIS can plan optimal routes, help couriers find the fastest delivery path. EDI can standardize data transmission, often used in cross-border logistics for document transmission. Fast and not prone to errors. Today's lesson ends here. We learned about the core sectors of logistics information technology and compared the characteristics of commonly used technologies. We hope everyone in the future, when checking express viewing logistics, can remember these technologies working silently behind. Thank you everyone. We will see you next time.